today we're going to be doing a Sprite challenge where we chug it, and we have Meek here today. And we got Mika, so she is so sweet. Nope. Okay. So, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Keep drinking, keep drinking. All right, Drew, chug, 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 chug. How'd it go?
So fun. I don't even feel like I need to burp.
Drew, you need to chug, babies. Keep going. Go, go, go. Keep chugging.
We have a puppy.
Lily, get back up here, babe. Drew, chug, chug.
Look real quick. Look at the screen.
Keep chugging. How much have you got left? Keep going. Chug, 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 chug.
I bet it would be horrible if we did a banana challenge. Anyways, we used up our bananas.
Drew, chug. So
I
three
did
chugging it.
smallest-
All of it. Can. Go.
What?
Go. Go.
Meek's like,
go,
give
go,
me some.
go. There. She's like, no, I'm going to go chew on the furniture.
Yes. This is what she did yesterday.
She's checking it out too.
What? What are you doing?
Did you do it? Is it gone?
After this is done, I'm probably gonna do the biggest burp I've ever done in my life because I can. If you didn't know something, I can. If you didn't know something, I can burp on command. Finally, a challenge where I made it! Yay! I did first. Bye. Alright,
What
so
about
bye.
burps? There's no burps involved?
I did
Nothing?
a tiny burp.
Nothing?
I do mine silent.
No.
I did all mine silent, so y'all wouldn't know.
Well, that's the challenge, is that you're trying to not to burp.
I know, but I did it silent.
I don't believe that you don't have burps in there.
I do.
Let's
We
see.
might as well sit here for 12 minutes. Like, all right, stop. Now we're gonna do some showcasing of me.
Nope. We're done. All right. No burps.
And no burps, bye.